Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we will delve into VOO. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 31st of March, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 27th of March, 2025, our system has ranked VOO as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -1.94. Let's take a look at the ETF's performance during this period. The ETF experienced a loss of -1.40%. This translates to an average loss of -0.47% per day since it was listed as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a declining trend in the short term, with indications of further downward movement. The present 3-month trend points to a potential decrease of approximately 6.05% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return fluctuating between -8.62% and -0.027%, shifting our focus to the longer term. Our analysis for the 12-month period suggests a projected change of 16.85%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 16.19% and 30.25% over the next year. In today's terms, this would imply a future price range between $597.10 and $669.37. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, VOO ETF price up 0.609% on Monday. The VOO ETF price gained 0.609% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 31st of March, 2025. The price rose from $510.80 to $513.91. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 2.52%, with a low of $502.64 and a high of $515.33. The price has experienced volatility during this period, with a loss of 1.44% over the last 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 2 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, bringing the total number of shares bought and sold to 7 million, valued at approximately $3.79 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $563.90, while the lowest price was $453.90. Currently, the price is 8.87%, or $49.99, below the 52-week high of $563.90, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Following a series of concerning developments, the outlook for the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, known as VOO, is facing significant headwinds. A recent analysis indicates that more companies within the S&P 500 are providing downbeat earnings forecasts for the first quarter, which could imply sluggish performance in upcoming reports. This sentiment is further exacerbated by global trade tensions, particularly as President Trump is poised to announce new reciprocal tariffs, leading Goldman Sachs to revise its S&P 500 target downward. The S&P 500 is currently down nearly 5% year-to-date, but has experienced 5 weekly losses in 6 weeks, indicative of a broader market malaise. Compounding these issues, the Dallas Fed Manufacturing Index posted a sharp decline alongside a notable drop in stock futures, reflecting heightened investor uncertainty. These factors could weigh on VOO's price in the short term as investor sentiment remains shaky amid fears of a recession. If companies continue to underperform and trade tensions escalate, we could see further downward pressure on VOO. In the long run, however, VOO has historically delivered strong annualized returns, and while current fears could lead to volatility, the underlying strength of the companies within the S&P 500 may drive recovery and growth, appealing to long-term investors as market conditions stabilize. the following signals have been identified for VOO. Today, there are mixed signals in the exchange-traded fund. The VOO ETF is showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at the levels of $521.51 and $534.54. A breakout above either of these levels could trigger buy signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, March 13, 2025, and so far, it has increased by 1.35%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The volume is rising along with the price, which is considered a positive technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 13 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 13 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 27 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 24 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 24 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 16 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $513.76. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund exhibits very controlled movements, and due to its strong liquidity, the risk associated with this ETF is considered quite low. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated by $12.69 between its high and low, which represents a change of 2.52%. For the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 1.53%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $515.51. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, VOO faces its first support level at $513.76. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. We have a negative evaluation for this ETF and no stop loss has been set. Is VOO ETF a good buy? Currently, VOO displays several negative indicators, leading us to believe that it will continue to underperform in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this exchange-traded fund. After evaluating the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is inflated. For trading on Tuesday, the 1st of April, we anticipate that VOO will open lower by $3.28, starting at $510.63. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. Do not base your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.